In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly export your designs in high quality. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just learning the ropes, mastering this simple process will ensure your work is presented in the best possible light. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is select the frame or element that you want to export. This could be anything from an entire design layout to a small icon within your design. Make sure you've highlighted precisely what you intend to save, as this selection will be the focus of your export. It's essential to ensure every detail you want is captured in this selection. Once you've made your selection, take a look at the right sidebar of your design interface. Here, you'll find the export option. Click on it to bring up the export settings. This is where we start setting the parameters for our file. Choosing the right export settings can make a significant difference in how others perceive the clarity and quality of your design, so pay close attention to this section. Now that the export panel is open, you'll need to choose a file format that best suits your needs. You have a few options here: PNG, JPG, or SVG. Each of these has its own advantages. For instance, PNG is great for images that require transparency. JPG is often used for photographs due to its compression capabilities, and SVG is excellent for vector graphics that need to be scalable. Consider the end use of your design to make the best choice. Once you've chosen your preferred format, it's time to think about resolution. It's vital for your design to stay crisp and clear, particularly if it's going to be viewed on high-resolution displays. To ensure that your design retains its quality, set the scale to 2x or higher. This step is critical for maintaining the integrity of your design, especially when enlarging it for different purposes. With all these selections made, the final step is to go ahead and click that Export button. When you do this, you'll be prompted to choose a destination on your computer to save the file. Choose a location that you'll easily remember so that you can quickly access your exported design when needed. Saving it in a dedicated folder for designs can help keep your work organized. And there you have it. You've now successfully exported your design in high quality. By following these simple steps, you're ensuring that your creations maintain their intended look across different platforms and devices. Remember, the key here is attention to detail and selecting the appropriate settings to suit your design's purpose. Thanks for watching and happy designing!